We're really lucky to hear that someone is so excited about our top-level service. Here's a great 5-star review that keeps us motivated to do even better every single day. Take a look. This is exactly why we try so hard to satisfy everyone we meet. When we receive glowing reviews like this one, it helps us to know that we're fulfilling our commitment to provide everyone with a first-class experience. So if you're after great service that'll cater to your needs, let us prove to you why we deserve your 5-star rating. Thank you for taking the time to visit with us today. Contact us soon. We look forward to working with you.